welcome to the Artificial Minds podcast. My name is Rob. I have here with me Hamang, our machine learning developer. Hello, Hamang, how are you?
Hi Rob, I'm good. Thanks for having me up.
Thank you for being here and thank you for walking us through our AI consulting guide. Let's start with just defining AI technology and AI consulting in a nutshell.
Oh yeah, sure. So AI means artificial intelligence. So when you use an AI technology in consulting in a consultation services, then you basically are integrating AI algorithms to make the tasks which are used by humans in a easy manner. So the task which includes a heavy human intervention, you can basically automate them.
And in regards to what is essential in terms of AI consulting for your business?
So the essential thing that in the AI consulting services for a business is basically to understand first the business needs of the AI, and then after that preparing a vast data set so that you can create a good and nice algorithms out of it.
And what are kind of the common tools and resources that are relevant here?
Well, there are a variety of tools and resources that you can use for AI services. For example, like the TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch. And apart from this, there are also tools such as CNN, which uses techniques such as deep learning and convolutional neural network. So there are quite a tools, and for face scanning purposes, you can also use tools such as OpenCV. So yeah, well, on the different aspects and spectrum of AI, different tools can be used.
All right. In terms of unlocking the business potential for AI consulting, what is involved there?
For example, when you're talking about services such as machine learning consulting, then these the agencies can basically create a machine learning model which can be used to further convert it into an API, and API could be sold. So those API and machine learning models can work on the back end, and you don't need to train them again and again. And also you can create some artificial intelligence applications such as a chatbot or a chat GPT stuff. So yeah, these are the things.
And just in general, the guidelines around the AI consulting.
So for in the starting, you first have to start by understanding what exactly your business need, and after you understand and you write down the problem statement and define the scope of the subject, you start by getting the data set. So there are various websites where the data set can be available. However, in defining and subject to one's particular businesses, you will also need to create your own data set. After creating your data set, the second step is to train models on the top of it and get a valuable insights from it. Once the model is done, you have to test it obviously to make sure that when you publish it out, it gives you a validated results. And in the end, you should give it a continuous monitoring and maintenance like every project out should get.
And do you have some tips for successful AI consulting strategies?
Well, the tips for successful AI consulting strategies is that first understand the business needs, because generally people think that AI can be integrated there, but exactly it won't be needed there. And for some cases, people might think that AI is not really needed, but in reality, that would require a lot of human force. So you should understand the business needs, and after that, you should give priority to the data management, because a rich data will ultimately lead to a rich model developed, and then do a continuous training and should follow the good security and ethics.
And do you have some examples of AI consulting?
So, for some examples of AI consulting can be heavily used in healthcare, and like Apple Watch heavily uses AI to understand the behavior of a human body. After healthcare, it's really in the manufacturing, because it can be used to reduce the downtime and save cost, and also in the retail that it helps the retailers sort out machine learning algorithms. So these are all the cases where it can be used. Also, it can be used in the education field heavily.
And what are some reasons to partner with an AI consulting agency?
The foremost reason to partner with a AI consulting service is because they know what they're doing. So if you partner with a good consulting service, then they'll be able to lay down a good roadmap and can be able to help you and give valuable insights on every steps that they are following. So in this way, you will be actually able to reach a goal which you have set in the beginning. And after project completion, they could be also helping out in the future roadmaps and all the tidbits which are involved.
Okay, thank you very much, Among. Appreciate it. And see you all next time. Thank you. Bye bye.
See you next time. Bye.